Hi, it's Sasha from HomeDesigns.ai. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Colors and Textures tool to customize the colors and textures of various elements in your design. It's perfect for interiors, exteriors, and gardens. This tool helps you achieve a personalized aesthetic with ease. So let's walk through the steps to use the Colors and Textures tool. So you're going to start by uploading a clear, high-quality image of the space that you want to redesign, something like this. So I'm going to redesign the sofa. And now you're going to select the area that you want to customize. So you can use automatic selection or manual selection. I'm going to go ahead with automatic selection. So it's already highlighted the sofa area for me, super easy. Now you're going to select the space type. So you can choose from interior, exterior, or gardens. I'm going to go ahead and select interior because I'm redesigning the sofa. Now for my favorite part, selecting the colors and materials. So you have a range of different colours to choose from the list, and you can even customize the colours by inserting a custom prompt. But I'm going to go ahead and choose a nice taupe colour. And now for the material, you have so many different materials to choose from. So I'm going to choose the texture metal, and then it's even broken down metals even further into the different material types, such as aluminium, steel. And now let's see what it has for glass. I have a range of different glass materials to choose from clear to frosted and tempered. But because it's a sofa, I'm going to stick with fabrics. So let's go for leather. And you can even customize the different textures. I want 4 different variations, so let's see what it comes up with. And here are a few of my favorite results. And what I love about this is that you can experiment as many times as you want with the different colors and materials. Now let's talk about how you can get the best results with the colors and textures tool. So number 1 is obvious, but you're going to want to upload a high quality image. Number 2, manual and automatic selection. I love using the automatic selection. It's super easy to do, but you're also going to want to use the manual selection for more precision. 3, go beyond the preset. So instead of sticking to the available colors and textures in the library, use the custom colors and textures, insert exactly what you want, and watch how AI will bring it to life. And it's also a good idea to combine colors with textures. So instead of just changing the colors, also change the textures. This will give you a highly detailed result. Finally, don't forget to improve the resolution by using the HD button right here. Now the colors and textures tool is perfect for a variety of users. First up, we've got homeowners. They can easily refresh the look of their interiors and exteriors. For example, they can easily change the wall colors to match a new decor theme. Interior designers can experiment with different color themes and materials for client projects. Realtors can enhance property photos by updating colors and textures. Architects can visualize material finishes and color schemes for design plans. Furniture makers can easily visualize different color schemes and materials on their furniture designs. And this tool is even great for e-commerce stores because they can give customers the option to customize different pieces of furniture. For example, this will allow their customers to see a particular piece of furniture in their preferred color and material. Furniture retailers can also show different variations of their products. And finally, decor stores can help customers visualize what different pieces of decor would look like. This will help them offer customers a virtual preview of what the different items will look like in various color schemes and materials. The colors and textures tool, you can easily transform any space to match your vision. Start designing your dream home today with HomeDesigns.ai. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need any further support, our support team is here to help.